Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Finding Python Course Fees Near You, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Learning Python is a valuable skill that can open up numerous opportunities in the field of programming and software development. If you're interested in enrolling in a Python course near you, it's essential to gather information about course fees to make an informed decision. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of finding Python course fees near your location using Python itself. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install required libraries. Before we start, we need to install the beautiful Soup4 library to help us scrape information from web pages. Open your terminal and run the following command. Step 2. Write Python code to scrape course fees. Create a new Python script, example find_course_fees.py, and use the following code. Replace the example URL and location with the actual website and location where you want to find Python course fees. Step 3. Run the Python script. Save the script and run it using the following command in your terminal. The script will then fetch the course fees from the specified web page and display them. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we walked through the process of finding Python course fees near your location using Python. This script is a starting point, and you may need to adapt it based on the structure of the website you are scraping. Always make sure to comply with the terms of service of the website you are scraping and consider using APIs if available. ChatGPT.